Suppose it can hear. Okay, so let me share again my video, and then hopefully it have sound. No sound?
No.
Okay, let me stop my hand free. Maybe my hand free is my ear pad is.
Yeah.
How about now?
Yeah.
Is this okay?
Yes.
Okay.
There's a factory inside you that weighs about 1.4 kilograms and runs for 24 hours a day. This is your liver, the heaviest organ in your body and one of the most crucial. This industrious structure simultaneously acts as a storehouse, a manufacturing hub, and a processing plant. And each of these functions involves so many important subtasks that without the liver, our bodies would simply stop working. One of the liver's main functions is to filter the body's blood, which it receives in regular shipments from two sources. The hepatic artery delivers blood from the heart, while the hepatic portal vein brings it from the intestine. This double delivery fills the liver with nutrients that it then sorts, processes, and stores with the help of thousands of tiny internal processing plants known as lobules. Both blood flows also deliver the oxygen that the liver needs to function. The blood that is received from the intestine contains carbohydrates, fats, and vitamins and other nutrients dissolved in it from the food you've consumed. These must be processed in different ways. In the case of carbohydrates, the liver breaks them down and converts them into sugars for the body to use as energy when the filtered blood is sent back out. Sometimes the body has leftovers of nutrients that it doesn't immediately require. When that happens, the liver holds some back and stacks them in its storage facility. This facility works like a pantry for future cases when the body might be in need of nutrients. But the blood flowing into the liver isn't always full of good things. It also contains toxins and byproducts that the body can't use, and the liver monitors these strictly. When it spots a useless or toxic substance, it either converts it into a product that can't hurt the body or isolates it and whisks it away, channeling it through the kidneys and intestine to be excreted. Of course, we wouldn't consider the liver a factory if it didn't also manufacture things. This organ makes everything from various blood plasma proteins that transport fatty acids and help form blood clots, to the cholesterol that helps the body create hormones. It also makes vitamin D and substances that help digestion. But one of its most vital products is bile. Like an eco-friendly treatment plant, the liver uses cells called hepatocytes to convert toxic waste products into this bitter greenish liquid. As it's produced, bile is funneled into a small container below the liver called the gallbladder before being trickled into the intestine to help break down fats, destroy microbes, and neutralize extra stomach acid. Bile also helps carry other toxins and byproducts from the liver out of the body. So as you can see, the liver is an extremely efficient industrial site, performing multiple tasks that support each other. But such a complex system needs to be kept running smoothly by keeping it healthy and not overloading it with more toxins than it can handle. This is one factory we simply can't afford to shut down.
So today I'm happy to find Angelina to help me to present our liver health for all of us. So let me spotlight Angelina so you can help us to share the screen, and then you can explain more clear for this topic, okay? So pass you the
Oh, okay. So you want me to operate the screen as well?
No, I can
do. Yeah, you can do that. Okay. All right. So good evening, everyone. So I'm Angelina, and just helping out Susanna in this presentation. So we've just heard about the liver. It talked about how the liver is so important to our body. So what you see in this photo here is the picture of a normal liver, the one on the left side, the reddish one. And then we've got the cirrhotic liver, which is a liver that's diseased. And a cirrhotic liver is actually a liver that has um, a tissue that has been toughened, which means that the blood cannot flow freely through it. So let's look further into the liver. So next slide. Yeah. Okay. So yeah. So the liver, as what we've heard, has got lots of major functions. In this slide, we're actually showing 6 major functions. It's the largest digestive organ of the human body. And we've heard in that presentation that it weighs about 1.4 kilograms. So it's a bit heavy. Next one. Next point. So its important functions include synthesis, detoxification, and metabolism. So some people compare the liver to the important lifeblood of the human body. If the liver is damaged, we are not going to be able to live. So, and the liver is a very hardworking organ of the body. And usually it doesn't feel any usually it does not, you don't feel any minor illness or pain at all with the liver. And as a result of that, as the liver gets sicker and sicker, it does take time for us to actually feel that there is something wrong with it. There is the progression and aggravation of many liver diseases that happen quite silently. Next point. The liver is a well-equipped chemical factory, and as you can see, it's got 6 major physiological functions. It is not only responsible for production, we call that synthesis, processing, transformation, but also for detoxification, excretion, and storage, and enhancing the function of the immune system. So next slide. All right, here we go. In this slide, we actually look into each of the liver functions, although they were discussed in the video that we watched, but we'll go through it again. Might be better to show them all, Susanna. So the first one, production. So the production of the liver produces the important clotting factors, albumin, and many other important proteins. The liver can synthesize various carbohydrates, fats, proteins that come through the body, through the food that we eat, and also some hormones necessary for the human body by using the nutrients absorbed by the gastrointestinal tract. Second, the liver has got a transformation function. It metabolizes medications and nutrients. So any medication that we take, the liver actually changes it in a form that the body can actually absorb it. The liver converts the drugs that enter the body into active forms to function. Conversely, it can also inactivate certain hormones produced by the body. It also, number 3, has got a detoxification function. So we've heard it on the video that not everything in our blood is good. There's some toxins that are carried by the blood. So the liver detoxifies the blood. The toxins from foreign or gastrointestinal tract need to be detoxified by the liver before they can be excreted from the body. And the processing of waste products of hemoglobin and other cells are actually done by the liver. And then after detoxification, it goes on to its 4th function, excretion. So all the aging red blood cells in the human body will be destroyed by the spleen, and the internal hemoglobin will finally be converted into what we call bilirubin. And then the liver cells can absorb the bilirubin, hydrolyze it, excrete it into the bile, and finally flow into the intestinal tract to be excreted out of our body. Number 5, the next function is storage. The liver can convert excess glucose into glycogen and excess fatty acids into lipids for storage. So it stores these substances so that when come a time when we need more of it, it actually has got something in storage to draw from to help our body fight whatever it needs to fight. So when the human body lacks energy, glycogen and lipids are broken down into glucose or fatty acids for cells to produce energy. And then number 6, the liver has got a major role in immunity. It has the function of adjusting new metabolism. A healthy liver can improve immunity. It goes hand in hand with our body's total immune system. So next slide. Okay, so how do we know if there's something wrong with the liver? Okay, we've got a liver function index here. Usually when we go to the doctor and the doctor suspects that there might be something that's not quite right with our liver, the doctor will request for some blood tests done. So in the blood tests, the two major substances that actually indicate there is something wrong with the liver is what we call GOT and GPT. GOT is also known as AST. It's the enzyme aspartate aminotransferase. That's called AST for short. It's also known as sebum glutamic oxaloacetic transaminase. It's called SGOT. It's a mouthful, right? But let's call it GOT for short. And then the next one is GPT. It's also known as ALT. So you will see all this in your blood test results if the doctor has requested for it. So GPT is also called alanine aminotransferase. And it's also known as serum glutamic pyruvic transaminase, or SGPT. So the GOT and the GPT, they are the enzymes produced by the liver and other types of cells. And the GOT and GPT are the liver function index. And in the general population, and they should be called liver function index correctly, or inflammation index. So the GOT mainly exists in the hepatocytes, in the myocardium, that's in the heart, the muscle, and also in red blood cells, while the GPT mainly exists in the hepatocytes. So what happens? The normal range of values for AST or GOT is about 5 to 40, as you can see it in the table across it, 5 to 40 units per liter of serum. That's the liquid part of the blood. The normal range of values for ALT or SGPT is about, according to some doctors, 7 to 56 units per liter of serum. But in this table, from the lab data, it actually says 5 to 55, pretty close. But these two things, when they show units in your blood test that are out of the normal range, that indicates that there is something wrong with your liver. So let's look at the next slide then. So hepatitis is one of the most common liver problems. And how many types of hepatitis are there? It's a surprise. It was a surprise to me as well. So there's A, B, C, D, E. Hepatitis A, B, C, D, E. So hepatitis A and E represent something that's acute in the digestive tract transmission. So if there's something that's wrong in the digestive tract and it gets transmitted into the liver and it infects the liver, that's hepatitis A or E. If the cause is through chronic blood transmission, then it becomes hepatitis, or it is called hepatitis B, C, or D. So in this photo here, there's hepatitis C virus, hepatitis B virus that's shown coming into the liver. There's fatty liver as well. Fatty liver is when there's a lot of fatty fats in the liver itself. And there's alcohol consumption and drugs that affect the liver. As you can see, there's the GPT that is produced somewhere there in that part of the liver, and same with the GOT. So these are the two liver function indices that we talked about earlier that give an indication on the health of the liver. So next slide. Okay, some liver disease warnings. This is very interesting. The first one, and maybe you can look at yourself as we go through all this. Number one is when there is red nose. Could be an indication of a damaged liver. That's when the hormones in the body will be in a disordered state, and it causes the capillaries at the tip of the nose to dilate. So you could see that reddish nose. When liver function is reduced and hormonal disorders are present, then that red nose there also appears. The second one is an increase in acne. That's the skin problem. So this has to do with the luteal hormone in the human body, and it plays a role in promoting the secretion of sebum. So the liver destroys the luteal hormone and adjusts the hormonal balance function. And therefore, reduced liver function will increase the secretion of sebum, which eventually lead to acne. The third warning sign of a liver disease is local bleeding. This is cirrhosis of the liver, which is manifested as bleeding in the gums, nosebleeds, blood spots on the skin, as shown in the photo. And usually these blood spots or these moles look like red spider. You can see that in the photo clearly. And it's commonly known as spider moles. So if you press these spider moles with your hand, the mole will actually disappear for a few seconds. But when you release it, it will immediately return to its original shape. So that is a good indication that there is something wrong with your liver. The next slide. Number 4, when you have a wound and that wound is prone to festering, again, that is an indication of the liver. There's something wrong with the liver, because the liver plays an important role in human metabolism. So if the liver function is damaged, skin regeneration will be hindered. In addition, the decreased detoxification function of the liver can easily lead to bacterial infection of the wounds. Number 5, well, let's look at the changes in the nails. So maybe you can look at your nails now. The nails that are whitish are actually an indication of something wrong with the liver. You will probably find that when you go to the doctor, sometimes the doctor will ask, show me your nails. That's what they're looking for if there's something wrong with the liver. So when the liver is not good, the liver blood will be insufficient and these nails will lose nutrients. Therefore, if the nails are pale, it is necessarily depleted of nourishment. And if there are many vertical lines on the nails, so have a look at your nails. Do you have many vertical lines? And if they're always there, those vertical lines, it means that the liver yin and the liver blood are insufficient. And then also, if you are overworked and if you lack sleep, there will be more vertical lines on the nails, which often relate to the excessive consumption or excessive effort that's happening within the liver. Next one. Nails that are dry, so they're not moist, and nails that are easy to break, that means that could be an indication that there is insufficient liver blood. And if the nails lack some luster and really dry, yeah, that is a further indication of a liver malfunction. Now, this is an interesting one. Palmar flaky congestion. It's called the liver palm. So if you look at your hand, if you suffer from chronic hepatitis or cirrhosis, the so-called liver palm occurs. So if you look at the thenar at the base of the thumb, the thenar is this part of your, thenar of the base of the thumb is this one, and of the little finger is this. So if you look at those, between those two parts, if they appear flaky, congested, or red spots and plaques, congested of red spots and plaques, and if it turns pale after pressurization, these may also be signs of liver palm. So if you look closely at your palm, you can see a large number of expanded, contiguous, small arterioles. The arterioles are actually the little arteries. The liver palm is also caused by arterial dilation. They're caused by the increased concentration of estrogen in the body when the liver is inflamed. So palmar flaky congestion is an indication of an inflamed liver. Number 7, pain in the right upper quadrant and throughout the abdomen. So if you divide your body into 4, the right upper quadrant and throughout your abdomen, if it's more painful when pressed with hands, or there is bacterial peritonitis and rehydration, that's an indication of dangerous complications of liver disease. That's where toxins produced by bacteria can also damage the liver cells and make the condition worse. So what do we do for a healthy liver and a healthy life? So there's a few things that we can do. Firstly, keep a cheerful mood. Be happy. Break up with tobacco and alcohol, especially if you've got a very close relationship with them. It is best not to smoke or drink alcohol. But if you have to drink alcohol, drink slowly and don't drink too much. You should also make adequate preparations for liver protection and take vitamins to protect your liver's ability. Need to go to bed early. We need to have enough rest and sleep. We need to be conscious that our body has got a clockwork built within it, such that's called our circadian rhythm. And that's when it says that it's between the period of 11 o'clock at night to 3 o'clock in the morning. That's when the liver repair happens. So if your body is not resting during those times, then the liver is not able to repair well. We also need to stop eating at late night, because a sudden increase in internal blood lipids will lead to a significant increase in blood cholesterol that needs to be synthesized by the liver. And eating late at night also increases the burden on the liver. And also, you get prone to fatty liver. Avoid pickled, moldy food. Also, don't drink raw water. You have to drink filtered water. Do not eat raw seafood. That could make you susceptible to hepatitis A because of virus infection. And try to reduce medication, because as we said earlier, the liver actually has to metabolize those drugs that we take. So don't use drugs if you can solve it with nutrients. If you've got nutrients, get them from natural foods. We need to prevent our addiction to medicine. And we need to, and that would help rebuild our immune system and our organ function. We mentioned it earlier, we need to close our eyes and rest. We also need, as we do that, especially during the day, look at the flowers and the grass and the environment. Look at the green color around us. They're all good for the eyes and the liver. Close your eyes and have a rest of your mind every hour. We need to calm and clear our minds, because as we do that, that also nourishes the liver, and it helps detoxify our body as well. Number 8, we need regular weekly aerobic exercise. At least 3 times a week, jogging, swimming, cycling, stretching, more if better, more than 3 times would be better. So what can we eat? What natural foods help support the liver? Garlic is one of the good ones, because garlic contains a lot of sulfur-containing compounds that can help activate liver enzymes and accelerate liver detoxification. Garlic is rich in a substance called allicin and the mineral called selenium, which have been shown to help protect the liver from toxins. Grapefruit is another one. Grapefruit is rich in natural vitamins, vitamin C, and antioxidants. They both help to cleanse the liver. It also has flavonoids, which can also accelerate fat burning in the liver and avoid fat accumulation. Turmeric. The turmeric can prevent poisons from harming the liver and even make damaged liver cells work again. It can improve the overall functioning of the gallbladder. It can complement the positive effect of the liver. Cruciferous vegetables and green vegetables. These are rich in flavonoids, carotenoids, and sulforaphane. It is beneficial for the liver to neutralize chemicals and carcinogens. It is very helpful for detoxification and metabolism of the body. Walnut, surprise, surprise, walnut is rich in protein. It's rich in fat, minerals, and vitamins, and it contains a lot of omega-3 fatty acids and a very high concentration of a substance called L-arginine and glutathione. It is an important helper in maintaining the liver and in metabolizing the toxins. And of course, water. Up to 60% of the human body is composed of water. So if we don't have enough water, the liver will not be healthy. Water will help in the toxins to leave the body, and they will need to be excreted in the form of body fluids.
So thank you so much for Angelina to help me to present the first part, and then thank you
You're
so
welcome.
much. Yeah. Okay. So now I'm going to share with all of you about lightweight patches which can help to improve our liver health. Okay. So let me just introduce the lightweight powder. What is function and how we can use this product. So lightweight powder actually we call photobiomodulation. So this is a new technology. It can based on the phototherapy and use our body temperature, the infrared light, to activate the patches. And these patches, one touch on our skin, it can reflect the specific wavelength from the patch to activate our body repair and regeneration capacity to achieve our cell healing effects. So the patches actually we put in different acupuncture points, and our body have natural energy flow, and this patch can stimulate our acupuncture points to enhance the body cell healing ability to achieve the specific health benefits. Because we have a different patches and they have a different frequency, and this frequency, once touched with our skin and our tissue, it will start their function. And the patches actually contain some amino acids, oxygen, water, and natural glucose. But this substance not going to our body. Actually, no just no anything in these patches. But this substance is for reflect our body infrared light back to our tissue and our skin. So let's to see how it functions. When we patch it in our different acupuncture points, so we place it on the skin. So some patches actually like X39 and X49, you can patch any location. So the infrared light emitted by our human body will reflect back. The patch reflects a specific wavelength, increasing our cell growth and activities. And this activity of our body cell can transmit the function and information cell to cell, and it can enhance and achieve the specific effect. So let me explain which patches can help for our liver health. So X39 is one of the best product because it can rejuvenate our body and can help us to have a better sleep and boost our immune system. This is very important. It also can release our some pain and improve our cognitive function, improve our skin texture, reduce some wrinkle, and the important is it can have a natural healing of our wound. So you can see that for the liver healthy, a lot of situation is if our liver not function well, actually our immune system will be affected, and also will have some information come out in our body. So X39 can activate our own body stem cell, and this cell, when it activates, it can be different of the tissue to repair our organs and also our damaged cell. So if we have sometimes have some people will got fatty liver or some diabetes problem. So X39 actually can help to rebuild your new cell to regenerate and to remove the body from the disease. Okay, and also the benefit of X49 is to improve the strength and the physical performance of our stem cell. Actually, it can help for the cardiovascular disease issue and health issue, also for our cognitive function, can help us for the rebuild the muscle, and also can, if we combine the diet and some exercise, it will work more visible. So our experiment reports show that using X39 and X49 within a week, you will see that your power change, and within 2 months, you will see that the percentage for the exercise recovery and the ability is over 50%. Improving. So for the X39 and X49, actually you can patch in your body, but for the recommend location is X39 patch behind back of your neck, and X49 so below your belly button. So for the detoxing, for the liver, important is our liver is helping us for detoxification and detoxification. So both part glutathione can help, because when our glutathione level in the body have increased, it is a master antioxidant. So one patches of glutathione within 24 hours can increase our own body 300% of glutathione level. So it can support our immune system. It can help us to promote our detoxification, and also eliminate our healthy mental, and also improve our skin and also our wrinkle. So, but this is important is for detoxing our liver and our body waste. So we can also help, because after our waste removed, so the beauty whiteness of the skin will come out. And the carnosine also is one of the best product in lightweight, because it can increase our stamina by up to 125%, and also improve our body strength and flexibility. And this also can improve for our overall health, to balance our bioelectronics code, and also improve for the irregular heart rate. Important is the digestive problem. So when our food in our body we cannot absorb good, so or our liver have a healthy job duty every day, so the digestive problem also will make our liver not healthy. So carnosine actually can help our digestive function, and also can have a degeneration function for our original tissue. So this is a very good antioxidant product, and also help our brain and heart. And Ion is one of the products because it can reduce the stress in the body. From a lot of problem actually come from the emotion problem. So the emotion will affect our metabolism and also our immune system. So we still stress to balance our emotion and also help us to more relax is very important. So it is one of the important of ion is it can reduce our inflammation in the body. So the inflammation accumulate in our body will have a lot of side effects. So we need to reduce our inflammation in order before to handle all the disease. And also this is one of the anti-aging product. An energy enhancer, if your liver function is not well, you will feel easy, tired, sleepy, and then you have no energy to do anything. So for energy enhancer, it can help you to have more energy and able to increase your energy and your power. So it's also support your physical fitness routines and also can help you have a more smooth blood circulation and also can burn your fat to change your body fat to muscle. So this is one of the product which can help for our liver. So what patch help the liver? So I showed you about some the liver function to improve our liver function. We can use the X39 daily, and for the carnosine and the glutathione, we can take turn to use and the alternative like one day carnosine, one day glutathione. So you can swap to use them. So this is for our basic liver detoxification and also can keep our liver function. So if you have a liver disease or problem already have, later on I will tell you how to use the whole body detoxing to recover your body and remove all the waste from your body. So for the fatty liver, we will using the X39 glutathione. Glutathione actually you can use 2 days one time. So a week you use 3 times. And the ion is for control the inflammation and also can help you balance your stress feeling and then also can stronger your immune system. And the energy enhancer. Some people ask, oh, why energy enhancer? Actually, energy enhancer can bring your body blood circulation to more faster, and also you have to remove the fatty liver, a lot of fat in your liver. So you need to detox them out using the glutathione and have the energy enhancer support you, the situation can improve faster. So you will see our liver function can let the function work more well and well communicate with each of the cell. So and if you have the hepatitis B, so you can using the glutathione and energy enhancer and X39, and these all patches the combination I already checked by the German machine called Visonic. So it have the frequency balance. So I checked before I recommend you to use. So for the already have the liver and kidney problem, I will recommend you to do 5-day detox patch for 4 weeks. So maximum 4 weeks. You can try first 1 week first. So how to do is at the daytime, so you will have an energy enhancer to patch, and you also have the X39 and also have the glutathione. And the daytime you also patch with the SP6, and SP6 the location every day need to change. And energy enhancer too, you can change the location for day 1 in this location, day 2, day 3, day 4, and day 5, because energy enhancer is using in a pair, a tan patch and the yellow patch. So remember, white color is on right hand side, tan color is on your left hand side. Okay, so for the SP6 actually only 3 locations, but you rotate them in different day. Okay, day 1 to day 5 is in different location. So for the X39, just patch on the behind your neck, and the Eon and Carnosan use 5 day at night time. Okay, Eon using the same location of X39, and the Carnosan just put in your chat here. Okay, so this is the 5-day detox patch for 4 weeks. So for the liver, already have a liver or kidney issue, we will recommend you try 5 days, rest 2 days, and on the rest time you only use X39. Okay, or Eon, daytime X39, nighttime use Eon. So the other patches within that 2 days is just stop it. And then if you feel good, you can try another cycle. So one cycle is 5 days. Okay, so for the some patient, they have cancer, so I will also recommend them they have a full body detox. So because this is also helping them to remove the waste from their body, and after this 5 days, they will feel that have a fresh feeling. So a lot of customer, they after using 5 days, they told me that they feel very good after 5 days because their skin on that time they can see that a lot of the waste come out, including they go to the toilet, they will see that the stone color, and also they will see some skin maybe from the very wet or some wound. So after coming out, they feel more relaxed for the whole body and not so tired. And for the hypertension customer, so I will recommend you to use this patching way. So you can patch the energy enhancer on your both hand. You see that the arm in the arm, so they are in different color. Remember, white color on right hand side, tan color in left hand side, and also ice wave put in here, and the X39 on your neck, and Eon at night time. Okay, so and you also can patch one patch of the ice wave in your at your feet. Okay, so the energy patches can be used continually for 5 days and also take 2 day rest, while the ice wave patch only need 1 pair. Okay, so for the high cholesterol, so you can use the X39, Eon, glutathione, and carnosan. And the SP6 using at the daytime, also 3 location, you take turns to use 3 location, and the energy enhancer in this location. Okay, so you capture the picture so you know how to patch them. And also for uses for 5 days and rest 2 days. If the effect is good, you can use for another week. Okay, this is for high cholesterol. And then, so actually lightweight product is a healthy way for us because it's no need for injection, no need to take medicine, and also it's a natural self-healing ability of our body cell using the wavelength frequency. So no drugs, no chemical, no stimulant, also no side effect. So and it is very natural, and also very economic. Actually, it's not expensive. So compare with you see the doctor or you use a lot of drugs, medication. So lightweight product actually is designed for all our health benefits. So, and also we have a lot of clinical support, over 100 experiment report, and 130 patents protect. So I hope that you all can try this product, and you can let me know the result, because I have some friends, they already tried the product, like they have diabetes issue, and also have a fatty liver issue. They also keep track with the monitor with the under the doctor, because I have a friend have the diabetes issue for over 10 years. After recently he using the lightweight product for 6 months already, and after that recently he go to have a doctor check up. So doctor asked what you eat. Oh, how come your diabetes level is so good now? So he just simply said that he stopped all his medicine and then using lightweight product. And the doctor is surprised, say that, oh, you stopped all the medicine, but you still can keep the good result, and the statistic of the weight so is very good now. So my friend is so happy, say that she's no need 6 months to go to see doctor. He can 1 year go one time for the next appointment. So he said he will keep to use lightweight product, and actually he only using the X39 and the carnosine and glutathione, mainly these 3 products. So this is the latest technology, a truly health choice for all of us. So for the X39 and X49, so the price for the retail is $149.95, 1 pack 30 patches for using 1 month, and the distributor price is $99.95. So we will recommend our friend join as a distributor member, so they can purchase in cheaper price. So this is a very simple way, just patch in our body and drink enough water, and it can restart our cell healing system. So for the after patches, actually is designed for different specific effects. The retail price is $79.95, and for the distributor price is $69.95. So now we have a boost or get a bonus from this month before June 26. So before June 26, if you join as a member, you can just purchase 1 bond, $125 US, and join as a distributor member, and then you can buy a bundle set. And within this period, if you enroll as a gold member, if you enroll a new member as a gold member, you will get extra 100 US dollar for your bonus. And if you enroll a diamond member, so you will get extra 300 US dollar. So this is very attractive. So if within this month, if you have any friends, they want to join as a lightweight member, so you can recommend to them to join gold or join diamond. So they can also forward their link to their friend to open account under them. So today my slides show here. So my shares up to here. So is there any question or anything want to ask? So let me, okay. If anyone have any question, can ask here. No question? Okay, how to patch for the sciatica? Okay, let me show you how. Actually, so if you wanted to patch this is about the Eon patches can help, X39 can help, and X49 can help. So for the sciatica, right?
Sciatica, yes.
Yeah. So this is situation that's so I also have this problem before, because I have the accident on my level 4 and 5 when I'm doing as a social worker outreaching. So I fall down from about 2 level, and then I hurt my level 4 and 5. And before I sometimes will have pain, but after I using X for 39 for I think 3 months, after it totally gone, no happen and not come back. I can say isn't the pain no more come back. Before as some weather or some time I will feel pain on my level 4 and 5, but now it's totally gone. So what I do, I can show you. I sometimes I will patch like this. I will patch in this location. Do you see that? This location.
Yep.
You can see the patch.
Yep.
Patch X39 in this location. So I got the accident on I think I'm 27, but the pain is come with me for more than 15 years. So I keep pain every time when the weather change. I will have cannot turn my body. This is the situation. And if I sit down for a long time, so I also will feel very painful. But after I using the X39, beginning I just put in my belly button and or my back net. Finally, I read more information. I see that I can patch directly in the location I hurt. So I patch here, and sometimes I still patch here, not because of I have pain. I just don't want it come back. So sometimes I will move to my X39 in here. So I will suggest you try this one and in X39, and also put gluten-free on. Gluten-free on three times a week. So also got numbers on the whole feet right side. Numbness.
No feeling.
No feeling. I feel that this is on the whole feet right side, right? So you can try the energy enhancer. Is it you are the one to suffering this sickness, Colin? If
Yes.
Yeah, okay. You try the energy enhancer in for the right leg for your feet, okay? You can
Yeah, right side.
you can try put the energy enhancer just under your feet here, this location.
Already done.
White color on right side and the tan color on left side.
Yeah.
And the X39 you just like me put on the back, the bone area. And the gluten-free on 3 times a week. How long you use these patches?
1 year.
1 year. You're from Malaysia, right?
Right.
Oh yeah. 1 year. 1 year. You only patch X39 or what?
I patch all types all types of patches I patch. But this sciatica came about 2 weeks ago. So suddenly it feels very uncomfortable when I bend my neck. When I bend my neck, even to brush teeth, you feel the muscle pulling behind the place where you patch the X39, you see. So I'm actually patching 39, 49, EE, Ice Wave. I tried many of those patches, but I cannot find the maybe the right spot or what to ease the uncomfort, the place.
Are you drinking enough water?
Yeah, I drink a lot of water. Yes, more than 8 glasses.
No, 8 glasses. Do you drink 8 glasses is maybe not enough. You drink, we need a 3 liter. So like if you have if you need to remove the pain, actually if you can drink 1 cup 1 hours is the best way for you.
Okay, noted.
1 cup 1 hour. You just like set a clock 1 hour. I drink 1 cup. You will go to toilet very frequently. But this is very good for you for detoxification. So to bring your body waste to come out from your body, so you have to drink more water. And especially now is it you have a back pain now?
Sitting down here, there's no pain. But when I get up,
Yeah,
then there's
okay.
pain.
So do you have ice weight on hand?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so can I demo to you now?
Can, sure.
No, okay, so please make a water first, 2 cup water.
Right away.
Yeah, we just try because I want to let all people know and how you can patch correctly. If you have many patch but you don't know how to use, actually just waste the product.
2 glasses of water, right?
Glasses of water, okay? So now, don't drink first. Take your ice weight come out, the ice weight. Now you see you have pain?
Okay, ice wave is ready here.
Okay. Try to ice feed off my background. I let you know what to do. So other people you can also have learn from here. Okay. Now try this position. Try this position. Okay. Go down more, and touch which location you feel pain. Find the correct location, but find the location you feel pain. Yeah. Like this, and go down. Okay? Okay, go down. Okay, find the location you feel pain. Okay, touch that all area. Before I can't touch the floor, now I can touch the floor.
I can touch the floor, no problem.
Can you touch the floor?
Yes, I can touch the floor.
And then can you find your bed, which location is pain?
This part.
Okay, so this part, okay. So you touch it and put the ice weight 10 color on the pain location. 10. Yes.
And patch it on the right, on the place I say pain,
Yes.
right?
Yes, patch on the location you feel pain, yeah. Patch on it. Okay,
done.
Okay, you patch in your skin. Patch in your skin is quicker. Don't patch in your clothes. If you can, yeah, you can just patch in your location. Yeah, patch in your skin. Okay, now
patch.
drink water. Now drink water.
Okay, the second glass of water.
Now drink water. Yes, now drink water.
Okay, then.
Okay, and then now you have white color patch.
Yes, the white color here.
Okay, so patch the white color 2 finger distance with your tan color on the 12 clockwise, 12 o'clock. So on the top, put on the top, 2 finger distance. Yes.
I patched.
You move a half. You stick back half first because we need to move. You put
only take off half the label.
Yeah, half of the label.
Yeah, half. Done.
Okay, which one? Okay, you patch 2. Okay, this one. Okay. So, and then now you touch the 10 color one, the 10 color one. So, is it the paint gone?
No.
I 2 fingers.
Same.
Because I see you have the 2 tan color in your bag.
Oh, that is something else. That one is
Energy.
X49.
Oh, X49. Okay. X49, no, you have 2 tan color.
Maybe energy enhancer.
It's energy enhancer or other, because that is not X49, I'm sure, because it's 10 color.
That one is ice wave I patched in the morning.
Okay, but ice wave, why another white color, where is go?
On the E2 kidney.
Oh, so now you patch this one. Just now ice wave, which one you patch on the top one? Yeah. Okay, and two finger up. So if now your pain not gone, move your white color one to 3 o'clock. Move your white color to 3 o'clock. Anywhere, okay? Just 2 finger distance. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, another 10 seconds. Touch your 10 color one. The pink still there?
Yeah, still there.
Okay, then you move the white color to 6 o'clock below the 10 color.
Okay, down already.
Okay, yeah, yeah, almost. Okay, and then your pink is on the top one. Okay, now you try again. This one, try again. Can go down and the pink still there. You have to check.
Lesser.
Lesser. Less how many? Less how many?
Less by 40%.
Oh, okay, good. So, and then change the location again because not yet done. So you change the white color one to 9 o'clock to another side. You still have one side not yet try.
Okay, done.
Okay, done. Again. Yes, again. Yeah, again this one again. Going down. The pink, this is reduced a bit more.
Yes, reduce a bit more.
How many now?
50%.
50%. Okay, so you take half cup water more. Just now you drink water too quick. Patch first, then drink.
Okay,
Because
water.
after you patch, the message, then you drink water and then the message. Then before you patch, you drink the water, the message is not yet in your body.
Okay, okay.
You understand?
Okay,
A lot
so
of
you have,
people say, oh, why my pink not good? I drink a lot of water. You drink it at wrong time.
okay, water, another glass of water.
Okay, yeah, another
Okay,
half
please.
glass is okay. Half glass more, okay? And after this half glass, you try to do the same,
Same movement.
yes, the same movement, yes.
Okay, let's see. Even more, lesser.
Yes, how many percent now left?
Left about 30%.
Okay, okay, so now last location. Try to take out the white color one and patch on the tan color on top.
On top.
Yes.
Then I have to remove the sticker, both all.
No,
Okay.
no, you just leave it a half. Still leave it a
On
half.
top,
Yeah.
put on top of the
Yeah, put on top. Yeah, okay. So leave it another 10 seconds. And then you touch when you stand, you touch first. Is it the pink gone?
Looks like it's going down.
Yes. Keep going down.
Yeah, look, it's going down, yes.
Yeah. And then you try the same movement. Is it more visible now?
Mm.
The pink reduce more, right?
Yeah. Can it reduce about 80% already?
Yay! Yeah. Then we move the other half, just stick there, keep 12 to 15 hours. And within this time, just drink water.
Okay.
Is it easier?
Yeah, but I never thought can put like burger, put on top of each other.
Yeah, that's why you need to see my video. I teach a lot of time. A lot of people drink water at one time, you know, because you drink water and water. You before patches, your patches. Why need to drink after patch? Because after you patch, then you drink water. Send message. You not yet put anything in your body. You drink water, then they don't know what to go. They are so
I see.
smart. Our patches is very smart. When you patch in the body, then you drink water, then they have a message to send. You understand? If no, you not patch, keep drink water. The water don't know where to go.
Oh,
It's
wow.
amazing, right? Now you use
Amazing.
it for years, but you don't know how the patch they can communicate. So you use the ice way, but the pain's still there.
You're right. You're right.
You're right?
The pain.
So now you listen and you know how to do patch and drink water. Patch and drink water. After you have these patches, tomorrow, this 12 hour, you will not feel pain. But your pain may be not immediately removed totally, okay? You
Okay.
take the time, no pain, but on this moment, you keep patching X39 and X49, and your pain will little bit to gone. And a day you not feel any pain, so ice way you no need to use, you just stop it.
Again, please, you said tomorrow, after 12 hours, I will patch this ice wave again on the same spot,
And
on the same place.
you need to rest first. You need to rest first. 12 to 15 hours, just take a rest. Okay?
Oh, I see.
Okay, after
Rest.
12 and 15 hours, you don't think that continue 24 hours is good. No, because our cell need to take a rest. Like you need to sleep. You cannot 24 hours to work. So now you're patching these patches. Actually, they sending the message to your body to request your immune system to work for your body. But you cannot 24 hours let them work. You need to take a rest. So you at least let them rest 10 hours after you can patch the other set if you still pain. If you don't have any pain, no pain come back, no need ice way.
Okay.
Okay, so you
All right.
only concentrate to use X39, X49, glutathione, because glutathione actually can remove our detoxification and detoxification. So the whole body will feel more nice, and then after your body no more waste in your body, you no feel pain.
Okay. So, X39, X49, glutathione, and if there is pain,
Which one?
ice wave.
This one? Which one? This one? What?
Glutathione.
Glutathione. Okay.
Glutathione.
Glutathione for 2 locations. Okay. You're in here, the full here, a little bit upper.
Up is a soft. Is a soft.
Yes, the top, this one for the whole body detoxification. And also can be the belly button 6 finger up.
Above.
There will about our stomach. Yeah, this is also good. So for the glutathione from here to our belly button, here have one location in here,
Yes.
one location in here, one location in here, and belly button, under belly button. So this one you can try step by step. Every day change one location.
Okay. Okay. I have problem patching in front here. The chest and also 6 fingers up of the belly button. It's always very itchy after patching. Very itchy.
Why detoxification? Actually, it's good. So you if you patches there and you feel very itchy, actually it's good because the detoxification. So meaning that the immune system finds something in your body and puts them out. So you will feel itchy, swollen, and sometimes will like fever or something like that. This is some effect, but this is a healing crisis. So that's why I asked you don't push the same location every day. You move the location.
So when I move the location, I must unpatch after 12 hours or 15 hours. Unpatch, let it rest for another 12 hours.
Yes.
Only then I put back another set.
Yes.
So and then the same place for the glutathione also, you move from the top and then to the chest and then to the 6 fingers above and also below the belly button.
Yes. Yes. You can try different location.
Just now you asked, you explained about putting the X39 at the back or X49. You put at the back down there. You show us where you patch your X39. Is it at the back?
Actually, I patch my X39. Normally I put in here.
Yeah, GB.
And sometimes I will put in my backbone. So I will move them because here I have also have a backbone hurt before, but
injury.
injury, yeah, but no more comeback, none of pain. But for my first month, I use X39. I even though cannot wake up because of whole body pain, whole body like cannot move, and I feeling something wrong in my body. But that week after, no pain come back. So amazing. That's why I'm on fire of lightweight powder, and I read all the experiment report and I find the location how to patch in the correct way to teach people, oh, you are in this situation, then you need to patch like this. But it is hard to tell, but our cell cannot communicate with us. They cannot tell you, right? So you need to find, okay, just now we use the clockwise location because I don't know your body, where the immune system helping you to healing the pain. The blood circulation come in which side? Your body qi. I don't know where it come from. So we need to use the clockwise to test one by one in order to find out which can block the direct against
The
our
flow. The flow.
to
The
block
energy
the
flow.
flow. Yes, energy flow. So when you put, so the energy sometimes they will move. You understand? So that's why we are using the white color patch to move also to catch them. And finally, put on if your pink cannot gone totally, you put on top of the tan color. It's because somehow the energy flow just from there.
I see.
Okay, so now today, I think you know how to use the ice way. You're going to help yourself and going to help a lot of people.
Thanks to you.
Yes. Okay, I also hope that today in our Zoom, so you learn how to patch the ice way at least, and then you know the logic. So patch, then drink water. Okay, patch first and then drink water. Then you drink the water, know where to go. Water actually is for the communication, for cell-to-cell communication. When you have time to read about the lightweight product experiment report, you will find that, oh, this is so amazing product. They can communicate.
Right?
You patch your gluten file on, then drink water. Don't drink water, then patch your gluten file. Patch first, then drink water. Then they know how to do the detoxification, okay?
And then remember to drink 1 glass every hour.
Yes, 1 glass every hour is very important because once you drink 3 liters on one time, no use, and you will suffering your body. Suddenly drink too many water, okay? So, but 1 glass, 1 hour, 1 glass, slowly for let your body have a memory. They know you will drink the water on time, so they will not store the water in your body. So the swollen issue, they can go.
Wonderful.
Okay?
Wonderful. Thank you. Thank you.
Welcome.
Susanna.
You're welcome.
Can I ask Colin?
Yes.
Does your numbness in the right foot, did it go?
I think I don't feel the numbness anymore now.
Oh, okay.
I'm walking around.
Right.
And I'm walking around. If I sit and I get up, I sit down and I get up, there's no pain. There's no pain. The numbness also gone.
Okay, pain is different from numbness. So I see them as different.
Numbness, numbness, I think it has reduced about 80% and above.
Okay.
The numbness, I think only a slight, very slight bit, because I also don't know, because I've been using it for so long. It has helped me very much. Yes, helped me very much, especially for the diabetic matters. Yes, now the doctor says you don't need to take medicine already. Yes. I'm also very happy.
You are happy. No need medicine. So you just order. You on time eat nutrient food, and then do some exercise and drink water.
I'm doing.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I haven't felt so good for these past few weeks already. Just after patching. Just after patching is wonderful, wonderful. It's an amazing product. I don't know how to explain to people, but it happens. And it's true.
Yeah, very true. So you have to study. Colin, you have to study, and then you learn and you help more people. We are not looking for earn money. Just really, this is amazing product. We have to share. We have to learn.
I have your book here.
Thank you. But my book cannot turn, but my book had to tell how to move the patch.
Yeah. Tell them to come to your Zoom, then they will know.
You come to my Zoom. I will try my best to let my knowledge to share with all the people, because I hope that everyone can heal by this amazing product.
Yes, yes, yes. I like the slogan you put down there, a world without medicine.
Yes.
So that's a beautiful thing that you can really help everybody in the world.
Yes.
Because we don't depend on medicine all the time, you see.
Yes.
This one is a natural way to help people, and much more safer and faster, actually faster.
Yes, very good. You see the pain, you just gone just in 1-2 minutes.
Yeah, now it's wonderful. Sitting down, standing up, no pain. Because for the
Why
last few,
why I asked you to do that motion, because a lot of people say that, oh, my pain when I sit down I not feel. So that's why you need to do some movement in order to find out the real location you really pain.
yeah. But
Yeah.
it's I know that how it's how the feeling of a person who is in pain, and when they get rid of the pain, the wonderful feeling is really fantastic. It's really wonderful.
Yes.
Wonderful.
Thank
wonderful
you.
Feeling.
Thank you. Thank you for
Thank
your
you.
demonstration.
We must thank David Smith for his wonderful invention.
Yes.
He has really helped the
You
world.
also need to thank you for yourself. You simply trust. And
I
you
trust.
simply to start. If have a amazing, like David, amazing product he made, but we don't trust, we not try, nothing happen.
Yeah, it's too simple. It's too simple for people to see. Huh? So simple. This
And
patch
it's too
only.
cheap to buy. Some people say that, oh, it's cheap, it's not trust, it's just cheating.
Yeah, it's
That.
sometimes you don't know. Sometimes even my customer say, I tried for 1 month already, nothing. I said nothing. I said how? He said he couldn't. He sleep, and he will get up every night at 3 o'clock in the morning, and then he can't sleep, and then he have to continue the day. I said, you try lah, X39. After trying, still try patch at night, try patch in the morning, try patches every time. But I must ask him to drink more water now. Drink 1 glass of water every hour.
No, every hour, yeah.
Yeah, but nighttime a bit difficult because people don't want to get up to go to toilet in the night. You see, sometimes people, I drink so much water at night, and I get up, and then I wake up and go to the toilet. It will be a bit difficult in the nighttime now, but daytime should be okay.
Yeah.
Well,
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Okay.
Thank you so much.
So in our Zoom, I have one customer call, Suming asking for the endometriosis. So that one can chip by X39, X49, carnosine, and glutathione. So where to patch? Actually, each patches you just follow the instruction of the patches, and also you can try to put the X39 in under the belly button, and the X49 you can put in your backbone. Yeah, just now the location I patched. What to call, Angelina? The back.
Tailbone.
Yeah.
It's page 31 of your book.
Yeah. 31 in my book.
Yeah.
You can see. Do you have my book?
I have your book, Susanna, but there's no location.
Page 31.
You follow.
Has the location. Okay, let me. I didn't bring the book.
Yeah, actually X39 and carnosine is the good for the problem already, and your location, I can tell X39 any location you can patch, but for the how say, I will recommend under belly button and also the back. Like me, I did all the time in here also. This is a very good location too. It's work. And the carnosine, you can just follow the the patch instruction have 5 locations you can try. Okay. Okay, so today we are up to here. So we see you next week. Next week, we will talk about the kidney. Okay. So thank you, everyone. See you next week.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.